friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm very happy to join with you all, and today I'm going to talk about Big Basket and I'm very happy to share my experience with all of you regarding Big Basket. It's a great shopping app from where you can buy all your grocery items, and if you want to buy vegetables also from them you can buy. If you want to buy chicken, mutton, whatever you want to buy, just go to their app, download it, you can buy everything whatever you wish to. Friends, I will be sharing with all of you all the items which I have bought it from Big Basket. Just now got it. I didn't even unpack it. I am going to show you. First, let's start with all the vegetables. You can see this. It is spinach. I didn't open it. It is still packed and it's of 100 grams and it's costing only ₹7. You can see how nicely packed it is. The next thing is, these are beetroot, you can see, and the price of it is 24 rupees and it is of 250 grams. So sitting in the house only you can shop from Big Basket. The things will come right at your doorstep. You don't have to go out in the heat and shop if you wish to. The next item is this. You can see these are red pumpkins and it is also packed so nicely. I haven't yet opened it and it's of 5. Now this is some spinach which is already chopped, because at times I don't get time to chop the things, so I prefer chopped items. You can see how nicely it is packed. It's of 30 rupees and I am not finding the it's of 250 grams and it's costing 30 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 5 days. So you can just store it in your fridge and refrigerator, and whenever you want it you can take it out and you can just make it, and I just love the way it is packed, The next item which I am going to show you is this one. Yes, Lauki. It's a bottle guard. Yes, it's costing ₹50. One piece actually is costing ₹50 and it's written over here. You can see that Fresho Big Basket. So all the vegetables are very good. The quality of the vegetables is really good. I'm very impressed. I often buy fruits from them also, and I really like Big Basket because the quality they offer is really too good. Now again, this is nicely packed some raw jackfruits, and I really love to have raw jackfruit. In Bengali we call it kathal. I just echor actually. So I just love to have this. It is so well packed, you can see, and the shelf life of all these things are 5 days and it is costing 23, and actually it's one piece, so and costing ₹23. And with the pumpkin, we always like to have this as bitter gourd, and it's nicely packed and I haven't yet opened it also. It's of actually 250 grams and it's costing ₹25. Isn't it great? In the summertime at times I really don't want to go to market and the heat, I really sweat a lot, and Big Basket is a great help for me, and I believe for those people who are really don't have much time to go out for marketing, and they don't have enough time to go out for shopping also, and lot of products are available including beauty products also. Many things, lot of items and lot of brands are available in Big Basket. You should check it out once. It's a trusted one. And I only showed you the vegetables which I bought it from Big Basket. Other than that also I have got a lot of things to show, but the video will again become very lengthy, so I'm just leaving that part. I just wanted to show how fresh the vegetables are. You need to trust Big Basket. Their customer service is too good. It never happened that the products didn't come on time. You can choose your own delivery slot, whatever you want to choose, you can wish to choose. You can just choose the delivery slot, you can choose the timing, You can choose the payment method. COD is there. You can pay by your wallets, Paytm, Mobivic, whatever is there. You can pay your according to your own choice. You can shop from Big Basket, and it's really a trusted one, and we all know that Shah Rukh Khan is the brand ambassador of Big Basket. You should give it a try because it's really good. That's the reason I'm making this video, because I thought that it is so good. Let's share with all of you. If you are not shopping from Big Basket, and if you just want to sit in the house and want all the products to come to your doorstep, then I think